What's up guys, my name is Chef Ronaldo Linares and I'm here with Eat Clean Bro. Today we're gonna be highlighting the Chipotle Chicken Breast, Asparagus, red bliss potato, Pico de Gallo, and create another amazing recipe for you. And trust me, this one is easy, bro. So let's see what we got in the bag. We got a Rojo Sauce, asparagus, Pico de Gallo, roasted red bliss potatoes, and our chicken breast. All right, we have our ingredients in front of us. Let's go through them again one more time. We have our Chipotle chicken breast, our red bliss potatoes, our asparagus. We're gonna need olive oil for this, just to give some color to the chicken, help us in cooking the red bliss potatoes and the asparagus. The Pico de Gallo at the end. We got our Rojo Sauce once more. And we're gonna be using a lot of the same ingredients, but the cool thing is here, they're versatile. We could use them in many different ways. And that's the beauty about the A La Carte menu. You could have it as is, or you could get creative in the kitchen. So let me show you how to make this dish. Is it easy, bro? Yes, it is. So we're gonna get our Chipotle chicken breast. We're gonna put it right into this pan. But remember, it is important to preheat. We're gonna add the olive oil. Wait till it's shimmering. Add the chicken breast. Get a nice sear on all sides. I like to cut mine up into slices beforehand. I don't really like to cook the whole thing because you might overcook it. Next up is the red bliss potatoes. They have a beautifully buttery texture, nicely roasted on the outside. Those are just gonna get introduced to the pan. We're gonna bring it up to temperature. Hey Ronaldo, we could do this in a microwave. No, don't do that. Everything's done for you. Trust me, the result is amazing. Once we got the chicken cooked, we're gonna move over to the asparagus. The asparagus is simple. Everything is cooked, guys. It's a la carte menu for a reason. We're gonna put the asparagus in, a little bit of oil. Once we got that done, we're gonna bring the Rojo Sauce up to temp. And then we're gonna head over, plate it, make it nice, make it beautiful. Take our bite, and then we're good to go. From the stove to the plate, now it's time to plate. First, we're gonna put our red bliss potatoes down. And I didn't tell you, this has a bit of rosemary in it. It has been kissed beautifully. Now we have our asparagus. We're gonna lay down right up the top, okay? Nice, let's get our chicken. We're gonna put this chicken down and layer it down nicely. The chicken breast, after being cooked, it's 6 ounces, so it's a solid portion of protein. A little bit of the Pico de Gallo. I don't like directly kind of adding it all over the top. I like to put it on the side. Reason being, so I get to control the portion with each bite. Rojo Sauce, which is gonna ladle it right over the chicken. Our chives, put it right over the top. A little bit of the microgreens. Just let it fall, let it do its thing. A little bit of salt, some cracked black pepper. And there you have it, guys, our Chipotle chicken breast. Super easy using the a la carte menu, and it's that easy, bro.